What do you know about lithium batteries?
Well, lithium batteries are explosive and are very environmentally costly because they come from they come from maybe not very good labor conditions in some countries. We use them a lot. They're all around us. They're on mobile phones. They're on all electronic devices that include the need a battery.
Do lithium batteries impact the environment?
Well, from what I've heard, it's like when you use the car and like for a few years, and then you can't recycle the batteries, and it's like you have to throw them out. So it's like, the car is ecological because there's no like smog or something, but the batteries you have to throw them out. From what I've heard.
Do you know what could be a replacement for lithium batteries?
Well, right now there's not much of an option, but in the future, graphene batteries may take their place because they take much more storage. They're supposed to take much more storage than lithium batteries in less space.
Where did you learn about lithium batteries?
I don't know, like internet or something at school. Maybe we're talking about it, and so.
What's your opinion on electric cars?
My opinion on electric cars might be a bit controversial because I know that people like it, that it's like a reusable energy, you can charge the car again. But in my opinion, it makes a bit more damage than it is useful because you have to somewhere keep the batteries, and once they are dead, like totally totaled out, you cannot do anything about it.
Have you heard of any risks of using electric cars?
Not any specific one. I guess it's just like if things are automatic, you can't do it yourself. So if something goes wrong, you can't really do anything.
Have you heard of any risks of using an electric car?
Explosions.
Okay, yeah, that's a good risk. Have you heard of any risks of lithium batteries inside the electric cars?
Maybe overheating could lead to a fire.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
And the last question, if you could have either electric car or a hybrid car, what would you choose and why is that?
I think I would choose an electric car just purely because of the acceleration.
Do you think wind turbines are a good source of energy?
I hope so. However, politics in my country are not in favour of renewable energy sources, and I think it was last year when they were trying to convince the society that Poland is not a good place to have wind farms because the wind blows. Well, let me put it the exact way. They were trying to convince us that the wind doesn't blow enough in Poland, which was ridiculous. And I think we are in need of wind turbines and other renewable energy sources because we suffer from terrible smoke in
If you have more energy than what you need, how could energy be stored?
It's a circle you are asking. Because then we need accus, or we need some batteries, or and there's no way found to get
The energy.
yeah.
Have you heard of hydrogen batteries?
Yes.
Do you know why aren't they as used as much?
Because, to get hydrogen is like a complicated process to get it without hurting the environment. So, yeah, there are methods to get hydrogen without any carbon dioxide or something, but to get it working properly with a lot of hydrogen, that needs time. But I think we're in a good way.